In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination. But more precisely, we will see together comme. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences, and they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So this lesson is about comme. And the conjunction comme can be translated into various ways in English, including as, since, because, like, and as if. So we will see some examples with comme. Elle agit comme si elle savait tout. Elle agit comme si elle savait tout. Comme il faisait beau, nous avons décidé d'aller à la plage. Comme il faisait beau, nous avons décidé d'aller à la plage. Il a réussi son examen comme prévu. Il a réussi son examen comme prévu. Comme tu le souhaites, nous irons au restaurant ce soir. Comme tu le souhaites, nous irons au restaurant ce soir.